It's a welcome. It's a namaskar. Namaste is salute. Namaste sir, is a salute, and namaskar is a welcome to. Like this, welcome. Namaskar. Because this place called the Elephant Island, this complete island is called from Elephant Island, from Portuguese name. Because that time natural stone elephant, the Portuguese take the Mumbai and Victoria Garden, Mumbai. Now still in Mumbai and Victoria Garden. And you look at caves and elephant caves from Portuguese name. Actually, original this place called the Gharapuri. Gharapuri. So Ghara means pray and Puri means city. Pray and city. Shiva hai.